Today, we're going to build an Uzi for our minifigure using 3 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing you do is grab your utensil hose nozzle, and I never knew what that thing was called, so I looked it up for the description down below. And on the barrel of that hose nozzle, you're going to get a minifigure's hand and just put the hand and clip it onto the barrel right in front of kind of like that, what we usually think of as the trigger of a gun. And then you've got kind of your second handle for our Uzi. And now on the back here, you've got your little handle here, and then on the back of the gun, you're going to get another minifigure hand and just clip it on the back end here. And this might pop off a bit. It's not the best secure fit, but it does hold on. And then when you're done, you have a nice little Uzi for your minifigure to use.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.